Hey guys and gals, welcome back. Today is qualifying day. I had to fail the first two because I needed some balls. Just running out of balls. And I ain't paying full price for them, that's for dang sure. But anyway, let's get down to business here. So a lot of these holes, you got to watch out for elevation. I don't know that I've put out a video on elevation. Now, elevation from tee box to where you're landing on the fairway makes a difference. There's a lot of new things I've been learning that I've got to throw out some videos on, but I'll try and tell you about elevation here. So when you're there's a couple of tee boxes, or not even the tee box, but the greens are kind of down in a hole. And what's happened is when you're adjusting for the wind, you're adjusting for the wind with all these numbers that we've given you and the sheets that are out there and the stuff that I've tried to tell you about. Let's say the sniper, for instance, because it's easy. It's a 1 mile an hour of wind per, no, I can't really show you on this one here, but let me just get this shot away here so I don't screw it up. Being that it's qualifying, or being that I gotta qualify, I probably don't want to mess this up. Okay, now, because it's into the switch club zone there, I have to adjust for that because of it switches over clubs. So when you switch over clubs, what'll happen is, well, that wasn't any good. That's what happens when you're blabbing, and I'm okay with this though because it's on the fringe and I can chip this in. But so with elevation, when let's say the tee box is higher than the green, when you're adjusting for the wind, you're adjusting for the wind on a flat, plain playing level. So when the green, let's say in a par 3, like this one's fairly flat, so it's the same. But when you're adjusting for a downslope, what's happening is the ball is in the air longer. So your adjustment will stop when the ball gets to the level of flat from where you teed off. So you have to add a little bit more, like not a lot, but a little bit more, just to make up for that extra time the ball is in the air. So make sure you're doing that. What'll happen is, especially a lot of these holes where your ball is going to land really close to the I'm a chip-in master now. Really close to the rough or a sand trap or something like that, and you adjust it normal, and the ball is going to travel an extra 20 yards in the air because it's 20 yards lower than the tee box. That ball's going to move more, and what'll happen is you'll be like, well, why did that happen? I set it up perfectly, and you'll end up in the rough, which if you would have adjusted a little bit more, it would have landed perfectly. So watch out for those type of things. There's a hole here that I'll show you in another video that is really noticeable. It's one of the par 5s where you're hitting down into the gully kind of thing where the green is. It's not going to kill you because the ball's landing nowhere near the rough, but you can tell the difference in elevation. But anyway, just thought I'd get that out there. There was my first hole. So again, thanks for watching. Join the Facebook group, Golf Clashers. Follow me on Twitter, 97warren97. And if you want, head over to wiggleboomsports.com. Check out my little website. But for now, we'll talk to you on the next video.